Measuring air quality with Sentinel-5P in Google Earth Engine. COVID-19, and especially its lockdowns and curfews, led to many secondary effects. For example, many restaurants and bars were affected by mandatory closures. However, air quality was also affected tremendously due to multiple triggers. In this class, you will learn to assess air quality within a region of interest. We will look at different international regions during COVID-19 curfews, but you can adjust the ROI and date to your case. We will use pre-downloaded shapefiles for the regions. Still, you can use any shapefile like the accessible FAO administrative boundaries to extract the geometry for using Sentinel-5P's measurements and assess the region's air quality. Let's import the necessary packages. Now, we define the location for our shapefiles and the variable names so that we can call them when needed. The data list defines our desired pollution variables and where to find them. Since this dataset is available on Google Earth Engine, we can call them right away. The last argument selects the band. By setting the scale to 250, our exported images deliver a better visual representation for us to interpret. This, however, does not enhance the resolution of our data. With the time process time command, you can measure the time the operation takes to finish. This is mostly helpful to fix possible timeouts due to too long operations. We set a path for the downloaded results and create a function that prints commands in different colors to better differentiate the datasets from each other. Now, we create a loop that creates folders and prints an informative prompt that gives us updates on the process. This loop iterates through all entries, or I, within the input list, which are the name of the AOI, the path of the shapefile, the start date of the lockdown, and the end date of the lockdown. Within this loop, the pre-downloaded shapefiles are transformed into Google Earth Engine geometries. Export paths are created if not already existing, and datasets are processed. This means that the script filters for set lockdown dates and specified bands to further calculate the pollution within the regions of interest and its differences through time. Finally, results are stored and images exported by the commands results append and geemap EE export image. By defining RB, or raster band, and setting its value to -999, the script makes sure that GIS applications interpret no data correctly as missing data. All results finishes the process by appending it to master results list. This comprehensive loop takes time to process and to be understood completely. Go through each line and try to understand what the individual steps are doing to generate our final results. When the process is finished, you will have created folders filled with TIFF files containing the pollution data. Load these images in your desired GIS application to further work with or investigate your results.